In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to print a spreadsheet and watch columns spill onto a second page, margins are usually the first thing to adjust. Margins control the blank space around the edges of the page, and tweaking them can help you fit more data on each sheet while keeping everything readable and professional. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in your browser. Make sure the sheet you want to print is active. Next, head to the menu bar at the top and click File. From there, choose Print. This opens the Print Preview, which is where all page layout settings live for Google Sheets. You'll see a live preview on the left and a panel of options on the right. If you're a shortcut fan, you can also open this window with your System Print shortcut, but using the File menu ensures you're in the right place for layout controls. In the Print Setup panel, look for the Margin setting. Click it to open the options. You'll see simple presets such as narrow and wide, along with an option called Custom Numbers. Presets are great when you just need a quick adjustment. Narrow pulls the content closer to the edges to fit more columns and rows on each page, while wide adds extra white space for a cleaner look or when you need room for binding or notes. If you want precise control, choose Custom Numbers. This lets you enter exact values for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. The units follow your locale, typically inches or centimeters. Type the values you need and watch the preview update instantly so you can confirm how your sheet will break across pages. Small changes can make a big difference, especially for multi-page reports. As you fine-tune margins, keep an eye on the page count shown in the preview. If content still spills over, consider slightly narrowing the left and right margins or reducing the top and bottom to capture an extra row. While you're in Print Preview, it can also help to check orientation and scaling settings if necessary, especially when a wide table would fit better in landscape. Grid lines and headers can be toggled here too if you want a cleaner printout, though margins alone often do the trick. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're set. Your chosen margins will apply to this print job whether you send it to a printer or save it as a PDF. That's all it takes to change margins in Google Sheets with confidence.